Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Right now you are watching the video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location is nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lot of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.4, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Room category will details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is attractive. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Some rooms are available online for this hotel along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, follow the description link. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then you must subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any video.